Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create an isosurface plot marching cubes using Python. So let us start this by importing required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical calculations and creating 3D grid, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for 3D plotting and measure from SkyKit image. This contains marching cubes for surface extraction. And now the first step is to create a scalar field, which is a 3D grid of values. So here np.ogrid creates a 3D grid coordinate with n is equals to 64 steps in each simulations and dimension, and sphere is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. This defines a scalar field that increases the distance from the center. So this effectively creates a spherical shape within the volume. And now the second step is to extract isosurface using marching cubes. So here in this line, words, which is the coordinate of the vertices that from the mesh, faces the triangles that connect those vertices, and normals, which surface normals the shading not used here, and values are the scalar field values at the vertices. And now the third step is that we'll plot the mesh grid in 3D. So this sets up the 3D plot figure and axis and creates a figure with 6 into 6 inches dimension. So here plot trisurface creates a triangular surface from the mesh, and vertices are the xyz coordinate of the vertices, and faces is the triangle indices, and cmap is spectral, which is a colorful color map, and alpha is equals to 0.9, which is almost opaque surface. And now we'll label and display the plot. So firstly we'll give the title to the plot. So ax.setTitle sets the title to the plot, and ax.setXlabel sets the x-axis, and similarly ax.setYlabel sets the y-axis, and ax.setzLabel sets the z-axis. So plt.tight_layout, this adjusts the padding, and plt.show displays the final plot. So here we can see an isosurface marching cube plot. So thanks for watching this video.